Comparison 4. 202509115 synthetic user. In this use case, the role of the synthetic user is to perform AI benchmarking as both an administrator of the testing as well as a participant in the testing. Synthetic user is being tested while synthetic user is testing Polymath AI. SHHH, don't tell synthetic user.
So here I am. I'm just going to update this application. When I start to build something like a flight simulator or some kind of application that's not focused directly on what I would call my research suite of applications, it's called Polymath AI. And there's a bunch of different Polymath AI applications that I'm working on. Polymath AI Code Assistant, Polymath AI Research Community, which is like a social network, the Polymath AI Knowledge Graph Swarm Agency. And I've shown a lot of these different applications on different videos that I've produced, and as I'm doing this work, I'd like to keep doing this kind of research. I'm not sure if my presentation is weak or what. I don't really want to be an influencer on YouTube. I realize that, it's an attention economy is what they call it, I suppose, and I'm just trying to raise money so that I can keep doing this work of, researching the artificial superintelligence and artificial general intelligence, producing my videos and making these tools. And as soon as I can get the authentication mechanisms working with Google and Microsoft, I guess, because those are like the standard ones other than using usernames and passwords, which I personally don't want to run an application that has to deal with some kind of password database. So this application, I'm going to throw a huge upgrade at it. I'm just going to experiment with the features that it can possibly, understand. That what I'm asking for is, for it to self-improve and, just honestly like things that you don't normally ask your software to do for you, I guess is what I'm sort of saying.